Note that only options relevant to your motorcycle model will be shown by GS911. Consult the GS911 function chart at this URL for all options relevant to your motorcycle. The service functions views for anti-theft alarm contain options for coding and other functions relating to the motorcycle's anti-theft alarm. When the correct BMW model has been selected, click Anti-theft alarm. Click Service functions. The abbreviation varies depending on which alarm system is installed. Common ones are DWA, XDWA, and XDWA9. If present, coding functions that you configure the operation of alarm-related components,